Welcome to 360D CAD. Take a pause to like the video. To stay updated with new videos, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create a text in Creo Parametric Sketching. First we have to select the text command, then you have to select the point at which text you want the text to be displayed. Then you have to select the vertical line height of that particular text. Then enter the text you want to be displayed. I am going to write my name. Then zoom it accordingly. Then the various fonts are available here which you can change as you want. But if you want to convert this particular text into the 3D module, then your font should be 3D, which is always a closed loop. So if you want to convert your model into 3D, your font should be font 3D. Then next is the alignment. So first one is a left alignment. So your all the text will be at the right side of the point where you have started the text, or you can change it to the center alignment. So your name will be on the both side of the line. And last one is a right alignment. So your text will be on the left side of the line. So I am keeping it as a left alignment. Next is a vertical. So in vertical we have started our text into from this particular point, the bottommost point, and therefore vertical is selected as a bottom. So our point is at the bottom of this particular text. So if we select the middle, then our point is at the middle of the text, and if we select the top, then our point will be at the top position of the text. So I am going to keep it as a bottom. Next thing is a nothing but a aspect ratio. So aspect ratio is nothing but the ratio of height to the width. So if we are going to increase, our width of the particular text will increase. So right now I am keeping it to the 1, or you can simply enter the value. Next is the slant angle. If you want your text to be tilted, you can increase the slant angle. So you can see the text is been tilting in a clockwise direction. If you want to change it to the anti-clockwise direction, you have to reduce the slant angle, and accordingly you can adjust. So I am going to set it to 1 again. Next is the spacing. Spacing is nothing but the space available between the two letters. So either you can increase that particular space or decrease the space. Okay. Next one is a placing it along the curve, which we'll see later on. So click on OK. This is where your text is created. Now you can press the escape key and you can also change the height laterwards. Suppose I am going to reduce it to the 2 mm height. Now we will see how we are going to place it along the curve. So for the curve I am going to select a spline. So I will generate a simple spline over which I want to place my text and press the escape button. Now to create a text I am going to select the option text. I am selecting the starting point and the height of the text. Then I am going to write my name, Pritam Kudal, and I am going to place it along the curve. Then I am going to select the curve along which my text should be there, and then click on OK and press the escape key. I can reduce the height to, let it be 3. So in this way my text will be aligned over the curve. Okay, I can slightly move this curve. So in this way we are going to place the text on the curve. Thank you.